Hello and welcome friends. In this video we are going to derive the equations of kinematics. So without wasting any more time, let's get right in. First we will prove the equation phi is equal to u plus at. Now for proving that we will be using a very basic equation, that is acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time. Now what change in velocity we can write is acceleration is equal to phi minus u by t. Now what phi means here is phi is final velocity and u is initial velocity and t stands for time. Now we will take t in the left hand side. Now on rearranging the equation, here we have the first equation of motion. This is the first equation of motion. Now let us prove the second equation of motion. For proving that, we will use the equation velocity is equal to distance divided by time. Now what we can write velocity here, this is average velocity. So in place of average velocity we will be using phi plus u divided by 2 is equal to s by t. Now we will put the t in the left hand side. Phi plus u by 2 into t is equal to s. Now in place of this phi we are going to substitute the value u plus at since it is phi here. So let's look. So we substitute here u plus a t plus u divided by 2. We have a t multiplied here is equal to s. Now what we have is twice u plus a t divided by 2 into t is equal to s. So if we multiply the t in, what we will get is ut plus half a t square is equal to s. So on rearranging it, s is equal to ut plus half a t square. So here we have the second equation of motion. Now let us prove the third equation of motion. Till now we have proved this equation, that is phi is equal to u plus at and s is equal to ut plus half at square. Now we will prove the third equation by using the first equation, that is phi is equal to u plus a t. Now what we are going to do here, we are going to square both the sides. Now what we will get here is phi square is equal to u square plus a square t square plus twice u a t. For those of you who have not understood this part, I am going to clarify it. I have used the equation a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus twice a b. So if you continue, phi square is equal to u square. Now we will take twice a common. That is, what we will have here is 2at square plus ut. Now, those who have not understood this part also, what I have done is I have taken this two. I will take this two and explain you. A square t square plus twice u a t. What I have done here is I have multiplied and divided the first term with 2 plus twice u a t. Now I have taken common twice a. Now what remains here is a t divided by 2 plus u t. That's how we have got this thing. Now phi square is equal to u square plus twice a. If you see clearly, you will see that ut plus half at square is this part. This part is equal to this. So we can write s in place of this whole thing. So we will write s here. So we have proved the third equation of motion also. So the third equation of motion is phi square is equal to u square plus twice a s. Thank you and have a good day.